Elsa, Anna, Olaf, are you ready? Olaf, where are you? What about you, friends? Are you ready to learn English with Frozen too?
I won't let anything happen to her.
Frozen 2 is an animated musical fantasy film produced by Walt Disney Animated Studios in 2019. After the events of the first film, Frozen 1, the story follows Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, Olaf, and Sven, who begin a journey beyond their kingdom of Arendelle in order to discover the origin of Elsa's magical power and save their kingdom after a mysterious voice calls out to Elsa. You know what? I like this film because of the love and support between those two sisters, Elsa and Anna. Maybe it's because I have a sister and I can't live without her. In this video, I'm gonna focus on the short part of the film. By the way, you can watch this film on Zabanshenas app. So click on Zoom, go through the movies, and find Frozen 2. There you go!
Oh, shovel boy! Teeth? Oh, doing the dishes!
Polar bear!
Hey!
Sorry.
You gotta give me something. Alarmed. Distracted. Worried? Panicking? Disturbed! Oh, come on, you definitely look disturbed. Ugh.
We won.
Rematch? Oh, you know what? I think I'll turn in. Are you okay? Just tired. Good night.
Yeah, I'm tired.
You know, pantomime is a kind of game that is played by using only actions, not words. Those guys were playing pantomime.
Distracted.
Distracted means to be anxious and unable to think clearly.
Worried?
Worried?
Worried means distracted, nervous, or fearful.
Panicking?
To panic means to suddenly feel so frightened that you cannot think clearly or behave sensibly.
Disturbed! Oh, come on, you definitely look disturbed.
Disturbed! Oh, come on, you definitely look disturbed.
And disturbed means worried, nervous, anxious, and concerned.
Rematch?
Rematch?
Rematch means a second match. It's like when two teams or people want to compete against each other for a second time, especially when there was no clear winner in the first competition. It's time to say goodbye now, but before that, I gotta tell you that the full version of this video is on Zabanshenas app, so go for it if you want to learn more vocabularies and expressions. Now tell me, what kind of family games do you guys play at home? Let me know in the comments. Bye for now!